And so in the end, we are trying to find a solution to our own problems by trying to push ourselves further to the corner to achieve the best we can. Not bad. But I want us to always remember where we came from. Well, because for us to remember where we are going, we need to have our minds solely focused on where we really came from. Because as Africans, the sad thing is, those of us who live around Nairobi, watu wanaongea lugha yao sana ni one Wajaka and two na Kikuyu. Other tribes are kind of hiding. Yeah. Kama Wakisii na Wakamba. People are just assuming because the stories about kuna wachawi Kisii, so mtu hataki kuwa associated na Ukisii. Yet there are very many things about Mkisii zenyewe not necessarily ziko juu kuna uchawi. Like me personally, my friends always telling me at Maangi, unaongea haraka nini. I'm proud of that I get from the fact that I am an Omorusi. Stop this whole cheap mambo jambo where we are being ashamed of where we came from. Where you came from does not define you. What defines you is what you decide to do about where you were born at. Because the children who are born at Kibera slums, in the deepest end of the slums, and right now they're making a big difference in their lives and the lives of other children who will be born in Kibera in the next coming years. Guys, that is what Culture Bank is about, to remind us what really matters, because if we lose sight of this, it is going to be catastrophic in the near future, because people will be running to the new things. We're leaving everything old behind. We will just want to improve, we want to do better, we want to be associated with everyone else, we want to show a given sense of belonging. Yet, we do not want to belong to the place where we belong. My name is Maangi Maangi and this is Culture Bank with Maangi Maangi, and we're always reminding you to remember where we came from. Yeah. Not all who wander are lost. Some are just looking for their true north, said one man to me a few years ago. What exactly did he mean to say that not all who wander are lost? Some are just looking for the true north. I actually have no idea what that means, because I'm not going to explain it to you. Juu pia nikiwa first year, a guy told me the following statement and he did not explain. Aliniacha nijitafunia. Mimi nitaachia. Okay, this is specifically for students. Not because I know the parents watching, so this is not fit for you, not unless you are also a student. So nimesema niliambiwa nikiingia campus. So aliniambia kuna watu walikuja campus kusoma. Na kuna watu walisoma ndio kuja campus. Abantu mbaro bachete campus osoma. Kiambo nombeka somo numbia. Abantu mbaro bachete school osoma. School enene ku campus osoma. Anda abande mbaro basome terine baiki school enene ku campus. Kagange kiagira mbabere muri school yani abana nabangi muri mwensi pini moro for the same purpose. Abande mbaro woju wamefika campus, they already accomplished it. Ranyore mimi nimesema kuna jwali nilisema stay explain, but let me just continue. Kuna mwanafunzi mwenye babake alimwambia, all you need to do young man is to give me a certificate, the rest leave it up to me, I will take good care of it. So jana nakaa shule kila time ni mapate after party. And then kidogo na baada ya chunya wakati mwanza kutama pia ako na job ama anafanya kazi kwa kampuni ya baba yake. Like I said in the beginning, not all who wander are lost. Some are just looking for the true north. One, I'm looking at my book Ekegusii, and naona nimeandika hapa juu, nimeandika the campus direction and under general directions. What exactly do I mean by this? Yeah.
Ekegusii kinabagenda iga. Sugusu is north, Irianyi is south. Mocha is east, Bosongo is west. Sugusu is north, Irianyi is south, Mocha is east, Bosongo is west. Ajua nimesema hivi kwa mtoto mmoja ati north ni wapi according to huko juu. Ati hapa juu ndio north, hapa chini ni south, alafu kwenda hapa ni east, kwenda huko ni west. So mtoto kimwambia ati aende north east, anakwambia sasa nitaenda hapa. Yeah, bro. Like nikiwa kwetu, those people who speak clock. Nikisimama hivi, the sun rises at about 10 o'clock, which means the north toka kwetu juu east na kuanga una offset the anti-clockwise direction 90 degrees. So kama ni 10 o'clock huku hivi, hivi ni 10 o'clock, maanisha north ya kwetu ni kwenda hapa. But who cares kujua kwetu ni kwenda wapi? Juu unaweza tumia your compass and then you do something called circumnavigation and then utafika kwa nyumba ya Maangi Maangi. We were looking at the compass direction. Sugusu is north, Irianyi is south. Sugusu na Irianyi omorero no veo. Sugusu na Irianyi omorero no veo. Sugusu na Irianyi omorero no veo. Ora samba banyabibe bonsipi basire. Ora samba banyabibe bonsipi basire. Sugusu is north, Irianyi is south, Mocha is east, Bosongo is west. Please don't forget everything we're learning. Ilikuwa compass direction and other general directions. Rogoro is upside, Maate ni huku chini. So kwa kitano kwa umuntu kwa tevinga atinga kwa beke simyane muturogoro. Omotu is the head. So muturogoro ni penye unaekelea kichwa, so head up. So kwa genda penye unaekelea kichwa penye, so probably bameka pillow hapo utapata simu yake. Yani au tevinga isimyane na anyebeka muturogoro. Ngai urangeti bukari maguru Maate. Maate ni huku kwa chini, huku kwa nyuma. Yes. Back. Yeah. So unataka nga Rogoro ni huko kwa juu, Maate ni huko kwa chini. Igoro. So listen, these two words are written the same exact way, but the pronunciation is different. The pronunciation is different and brings a different meaning. Igoro na Igoro. Igoro ni jana, Igoro ni juu. Kama Suguta ni mahali na Suguta ni nyasi. Similarly for this one, obon tukabo cha kesa bari orogendo orotambe orogendo njo ntora so orogendo kogenda Igoro no ogoko utambe ntora so orogendo ni safari. Takonya gutumia iriete safari everywhere. We are destroying Ekegusii abantu ntora. Yeah. Igoro is juu. Nse ni hapa kwa chini kwenye tuko. Yeah. Bono mnataka bono igo Sugusu is north, Irianyi is south, Mocha is east, Bosongo is west, Rogoro ni juu, ni hapo upside, Maate ni downside, Igoro is up, Nse is down here. Ekegusii ko tebanga chisemi mayegatire. Chisemi mayegatire. Na Ekegusii ko yatebanga muntu monene ndiogo. Ekegusii ko tebanga muntu monene ndiogo. An elderly person is like medicine. Actually, it's not. Is medicine. Keranateva muntu monene ndiogo. Tinte betinga muntu monene ni ganga iriogo. Those are two different statements. So muntu monene ndiogo. An elderly person is medicine. What does that even mean? Murabata to abasayege myaka yane usense nigo bachete segeti kuri sichiomi kubago tarakanyora riyo rimo rinene kerage bona. Riyo ni kitu gani? Riyo ni kauski na kero kati mnowa ng'ombe, the skin of the cow, and nero yarenge a mattress y'Abagusii bali abakoro. They did not have a mattress. Mattresses into za juice. So niko baringa korali goreri ibyo wose bachoko bonyansi bya onalala hapo juu. That reminds me ntaragendera na muntu monene ndiogo. Again, though, there is some insects ikoro ku overall ikoro bwa twera siyo so bunyansi bwe chingoko erinde oseri overall nigo mu busia ringi gusanga bunyansi erinde asambera ni overall. Overall are some insects that some teeny tiny insects that na attack kuku yagera umurimi w'ekingoko niganje ekingoko kyaye nabidi achome obunyansi obwo erinde asambera ni overall nateba ligyo nilikwanga mattress nande boigo ogutumia obunyansi ko bachoka buya kyagera onye bakonyara bachoka obunyansi erinde borosi kiramage kyenyuma basi korosi egeta koyende boigo bitandambia arengo while sleeping on the floor. Muntu monene ndiogo ubona muri aba batatekera banyora rigieri wakarosi okay yani nge ng'ombe ya kure fresh bona bakaroranga tobeke vichwa ndani erinde ubana kwego so assume vile nimesimama hivi airini rigio lidogo chiro igora hapa loko chini na kuna watu wengine watu watatu wanasema kwenda hapa mwisho so acha people wanapiga story maete mwizo nabona sambe tevi kumabia nakebe ndikiawe nazo wete mugondo ngikaranza katikati ngabeke bitumanzi ngasamba every tuma is maize boy vikoro ku tibando and roasted maize ni every tuma bisambi abantu biko bakosambira every tuma riko okay lazima tware umuriro is fire gusambira riko gose usambira se jiko ko gutumia amakara ni gago samba akorwa simito so abatatu ekero babekire metwase iri tukorikana kugendera iri tukona tabeti bikoroku bigo so vile siku imeendelea kwenda hivi hiyo ikakauka around kwa shingo wala kego ikachinsa after around an hour after chit chat aina kujaribu kutoka so ni kama anaenda kutoka na jina like God so bakasinyo ngigendo bagochi bakora so so bakasinyo ngigendo bagochi bakora igo bono omugaka naro ringe gweta sigisikia akahora kabori nga abamura it is a bad question uko mahali unateseka mtu anakuuliza how can I help you like when Jesus is so Bartimaeus was blind but still Jesus asked Bartimaeus what do you want but abantu mbaro gochiko bakonya wanakuambia nami nahitaji usaidizi wako njungo te byonkonye so mwakulia kababori nganga mutagetemba konye ngakimugani mnataka aje ngaki mugani so bya bujena akamwambia ngaki mugaka tokonye iri yeriga ngoto ngendarire uko ngenta niku nyanga dakabatebi minyoka mpakaruoche mosoime muikaranzo alafu once ekero rijo ria nyiro kunyia izinona katika kama katupika ugali na bakisha magoko lakini naro aliata ikuru of course kuna tuma professional ugali cookers wenye wanapika ugali mpaka unakubali kwanza Waluya wanakuanga amazing Waluyas are very amazing yani mtu anapika ugali akiweka tu kwa meza inatoka na rigo korote rions akika ile ni utokangi kubika maji rigo koriana kuni so akawaambia wakaenda wakapaswaru wote rigo likania wakajitoa of course budget gote ya bambuya mono buna abasa yabari bakagana kore ibintu byabo inino musote banga muntu monene ndiogo. We were looking at campus direction. Of course, I was pointing my fellow young people in the direction of respecting the elderly and being grateful in all circumstances. And we said that give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He liveth. Jesus Christ, Sugusu is not. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. So Sugusu is not Irianyi South, Mocha is East, Bosongo is West. Rogoro is outside, Maate is Wachinto, Ketlangalia, Rogoro na Magro Maate. Igoro is up, Nse, Nyapa kwa chini. I forgot to say one thing. One of the 4 cardinal points and then what is the 8 cardinal points of the compass. One, Sugusu is north. Sugusu ya Mocha is northeast. Mocha is east. Irianyi ya Mocha is southeast. Bosongo is west. So Irianyi ya Bosongo ni southwest. Bosongo, okay, Bosongo is west. So Sugusu ya Bosongo is northwest. So Sugusu ya Mocha, Irianyi ya Mocha, Irianyi ya Bosongo na Sugusu ya Bosongo. That is it for this episode. My name still is Maangi Maangi, and this still is Culture Bank. Kigancha Ekegusii na umusabirega kuru asense yamunagakinga igese sineri n'abatakama ndiamuna sogocha sikanche Ekegusii korane sebiki igocha. Bye bye korane bitu video.